Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com as a CRM. If you're looking to streamline your customer relationship management efforts using the versatile capabilities of Monday.com, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this easy-to-follow process and get you set up in no time. For Shopify users, this means finally having one place to organize conversations, track leads, and make sure potential customers don't fall through the cracks, instead of juggling emails, spreadsheets, and sticky notes. To start off, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll notice it's a flexible platform, perfect for managing different kinds of workflows. Its straightforward nature makes it a fantastic tool for CRM purposes as well. Everything is visual and customizable, which is great if you prefer a simple overview of customer activity or want to track detailed information about every sale, return, or inquiry coming into your store. Now, let's get started by clicking on the plus sign that you'll find in the left panel. This is where you can add new items to your workspace, such as boards or templates. We're aiming to set up a CRM today, so this is the first step in building out that system. Think of boards in Monday as your central hub, where customer lists, prospects, wholesale account applications, or influencer contacts can live and be managed by you or your team. After clicking the plus sign, what you want to do next is go to the Template Center. This is a powerful feature of Monday.com that offers tons of ready-made templates to help you get started quickly with any functionality you need. As a business owner, using templates saves you hours of setup time because you're not building forms, columns, or automations from scratch. Within the Template Center, you will see a search bar. Type in CRM to filter the templates to those related to customer relationship management systems. You'll find several options for CRM templates, each designed to help you efficiently manage your customer data, track interactions, and maintain schedules. Browse through these choices to see which one best fits your needs. For example, one template may be geared toward sales pipelines, ideal if you're taking wholesale orders, while another might be better for tracking customer support messages or product inquiries. Once you've identified the CRM template that stands out to you, click on it. This will give you a closer look at what the template includes, such as the types of information you'll be able to track and the structure of the boards. After reviewing the template details, you're now ready to move forward. You want to click on the Use Template button. This action will import the chosen CRM setup directly into your Monday.com workspace. Instantly, you'll have a functioning CRM board instead of starting with a blank screen, which makes onboarding your team much quicker. The template comes with preset columns and options that you can customize according to your specific requirements. You may add fields like contact names, phone numbers, email addresses, and interaction notes to help you maintain a comprehensive overview of your customer interactions. For Shopify owners, you might also want to add columns like order value, number of purchases, refund history, or whether the customer came from TikTok, Meta ads, or organic traffic, helping you see not just who your customers are, but what behaviors they show. Remember, one of the great benefits of using Monday.com as a CRM is the ability to customize and adjust settings. As your needs evolve, you can add more columns, set up automations, and integrate other tools you might be using, such as emails or social media profiles, to further enhance your CRM's capabilities. For example, you could automatically send yourself a notification when a wholesale inquiry form is submitted, or assign tasks to team members when a customer requests a return or asks a question on Instagram. And there you have it. You're well on your way to managing your customer relationships more effectively with Monday.com. With some practice and fine-tuning, this setup can be a massive time saver. So spend some time exploring your new CRM workspace, customizing it to fit your needs, and watch as your log of customer interactions becomes a powerhouse of information and efficiency. The more organized you are, the easier it becomes to nurture returning customers and increase repeat purchases, which is where true revenue growth happens. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find Monday.com as useful for CRM as many others have. Have questions or want me to cover a specific Monday.com feature? Drop it in the comments. I read them all, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.